Akaya canson, Aka Giovanni Mema, Akaya canson, Aka Giovanni Mema, oi, Alwe Bubeya, Keneru Arine Nuwa, his work. Isi Kendo, Kenadi Yatata. Akaya canson, Aka Giovanni Mema. To cover, to cover, and Ikwalu Ibu. Ikwalu Ibu is Ikwalu Ibu are like the prayer and ritual for a particular thing, particular stuff, disease. When you pray Ikwalu Ibu, they are like to take them out, a particular problem or a particular disease or a particular illness or a particular negativities. When you pray and take them out, they are Ikwalu Ibu. Ibu like the ritual, the prayer. Ikwalu Ibu like to take them out. To cover an Ikwalu Ibu. Akogheli. 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 Empty. Dibia. Dibia. Akogheli are empty. They are empty negativities. Empty negativities. That claims they are right. They are all about Akogheli. The empty negativities. And when they possess people, they move around claiming they are right. When they carry out their evil mission, they say they are right. When they destroy lives and properties, they say they are right. Then the word Dibia, I want to summarize now. Dibia. Dibia. Dibia are like helping humanity. They are all about Dibia. When you devote yourself helping humanity, be at the front line for others, moving the world forward, standing with truth on good side. They are Dibia, and you are on the good side. We have the good Dibia and we have the negative Dibia, the bad side. I explain all that today. Then you are ready at any time. You are prepared at any time to face all problems, all negativities against the world, destroying lives and properties. You and your group are ready to be at the front line for others, like the military, like the forces, like the police. They are ready at any time, protecting and saving lives. All their work, all they are doing, they're helping humanity, and their group, they are called Dibia. They are called Dibia. You are in hospital or in any place working in health field. You treat your patients with love. Anybody that comes into the hospital that are sick, when you treat them, when you administer medication to them, you make them happy, feed them, make them happy, and make them feel they are loved. Give them all the care they need, all their need resources, giving all their resources, all their benefits to make them happy. Then the joy you are putting in them are like helping humanity. You are bringing them back to the real world. And you are called and you are known like a Dibia. Eh? You are a Dibia on the good side, helping humanity. You work in an office or in a foundation. When your customer comes, eh? You treat them with love. Smile on your face, make them feel at home. Make them feel our company love you. You know, sometimes some people in the world, they are stressed, having kind of issues, but when they come, they are angry. You don't know what they are facing. But the way you treat them, calm them down, and you a lady, you a female on the front line, eh? No matter all their colors, they are from your color or no color. The way you treat them, make them feel love. Eh? Offer them water to drink. Offer them juice. Offer them snacks. Eh? Make them happy. Give them care they need. Attend to them. Then you bring back their joy. When they go out to the world, they always remember you. Remember your face. Remember your company. And if you are a lady and you are single, and they see a good guy looking for a female to get married to or be in a relationship, they always refer the person to you because of the way you treated them. You are known like a Dibia. You are a Dibia on the good side. They are all about Dibia. You do business or you buy products to sell to the public, and you know this product, you are into the line, you know all the products, you know that this particular product, are poisonous to the innocent. When they eat it or when they apply them to their body, they are poison. And the side effects start coming to them in 1 year time. They have a particular illness, virus, or many die, lives lost. And other business owners are going for the product when they know the truth. Because the product, when you sell them, you make millions in a week. Millions you didn't make in a year, you make them in a week. Make thousands in a week. But because you are on the good side, good Dibia, when you see the product, because you love humanity, you love your country, you say no to yourself, you won't buy this product. And your group, you say no, you won't buy this product. They are evil. Then you move back, buy good product and sell good product to the market, to the innocent. Then you are a Dibia and you are on the good side, and you have your reward coming. You might start low, making small gain, but the fruit of honest must pay at the end. And the scripture says, he who endures to the end, all that endures to the end, those that endures to the end shall be saved. The happiness and the riches in the future, are bigger than what you see them making in the present. When the future pays, you become famous. All your secret hustling in the secret, when it pays in the future, everybody becomes surprised. How did this happen? But they don't know we have been struggling from the low. You stand with the truth. You are a good Dibia. Then the Akogheli, empty Dibia, all that come up, they are Dibia, but they are on the wrong side. The Akogheli, empty, already possess them. They are now one, same with Akogheli, empty Dibia. And they are always going against the world, against humanity, destroying lives and properties, involving all kinds of crimes, robbing, terrorizing the communities, intimidating the poor, hating the innocent, discrimination, killing the innocent as a secret assassination against the innocent, involving too many racism, hating everybody for no reason. Any place they go, they cause trouble. Any place they go, They are looking for a way to sue the foundation, bring them down. Then all their millions they make for so many years, they struggle and work so hard to save half of the millions gone. You know, moving from place to place, terrorizing, terrorists, suicide bombers. They are known like they are possessed by Akogheli, empty Dibia, Akogheli Dibia. We are all called to save, to move the world forward, be on the good side. But now, the one that have left the good side and be on the negative bad side, they are Akogheli. They are possessed by Akogheli, empty Dibia. All the Akogheli, empty Dibia, the energy in any place rising, to destroy and turn all of them upside down. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, male dog, nketa male dogs, obago, Otinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby spiders, cosmetic soaps, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. Then to block all the Akogheli, empty Dibia, the energy where they are rising against the world, possessing all, the innocent, possessing people. To block them, I use all animals, roosters, hens, uncountable rabbits, 33 uncountable bitter colors, 33 bitter colors. Ebo ngene, green blocking, chuku anandoti, wars all colors blocking, build physical and spiritual giant wars, block all the Akogheli, empty Dibias, fighting the world. Then to cast them out from all they are already possessed, they already made their messenger, one with them, same with them, carrying out negative agenda, bad mission against the world. To cast them out from them, I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, orange, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors, burning incense, burning sage. Cast all of them out from all people, their mind, their soul, their head, their innermost self, their altars, their room, their homes, their working place. Cast them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and free them. Then to cover all the Akogheli, empty Dibia. I use trash bags, plastic bags, wackling, black blanket, Akwoji, bring them down, cover, put all of them in basket, tie them, chain them, blind, block, bury, cover all of them, wipe them out, and punish them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. All come together and prayer. We stand up at all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all foundation, all families, generation, ancestries, pot in all states in USA, prayer, base in USA NATO, science and technologies, transfer into all USA foundation, government, self-employed, all working, all homes, USA NATO science and technologies, transfer to them, base there. Stand up in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA. Transfer to Nigeria too, my country. Transfer to us. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, all that goes into the body that are good. Cigarette, weed for those that smoke. All you eat that are good to your health, to your body. We use them, welcome this prayer, their power, authorities, manifestation, healing, and free from Akogheli, empty Dibia. And move us forward. Transfer to all hospitals worldwide, USA hospitals, then to psych ward, recuperative cares. Transfer to my Serenity recuperative care. Transfer to Allied Universal Security. Transfer to police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. All legislation, executive, judicial, into all sports, all league, Premier League, Champions League, Chelsea FC men and women, LA Galaxies, MLS, MLB, Dodgers, NFL, Rams, NBA, Lakers, NHL, LA Kings, LAFC, transfer to them. Transfer to Club America, Mexico. Transfer to Mexicans. Transfer to all. Transfer to USA men national team and their females. Transfer to them. Transfer to Super Eagles of Nigeria. Our soccer team and our female, the Falcon. Transfer to them and all the other Nigeria team under 17 or their name. Transfer to them too. All my prayer, transfer to them. Moving us forward. Transfer into all religion. Hinduism, Buddhism, churches. Transfer to Catholicism. Catholic Church, St. Peter's Basilica, Peter Seat. Transfer to Pope Francis, to all Catholics worldwide. Transfer to us. Transfer to St. Eugene and transfer to Ikwalu. Transfer to St. Philomena in Carson, Catholic Church. Transfer to St. Albert the Great in Compton and Carson, Catholic Church. Transfer to my Kingdom Life Fellowship. All my prayer, transfer to them. They stay in Compton. Transfer to all Baba Shop worldwide. Transfer to Place to Be Baba Shop in Central, Carson and Compton, close to the freeway there, 91 freeway, I think so. Transfer to them, David and the family and other members and crews. Transfer to all hair salon for the females. All my prayer, transfer to them. Transfer to my David and the family and all the barber shop there. Transfer to them, their crew. They take care of me. They give me money. When I need money, I go there. When I need money, I go there. They give me money, feed me, take good care of me. Sometimes they cut my hair with no money. I pay no money. I go there. They cut my hair, take care of me. Then I stay there. I always like to go there, stay there. All their customers that come in silence, I continue to pray for everybody. All that are sick that come in there, I pray for them, move them forward. I still owe them a lot of money. David and his family and the group, the barbers there, EJ, OJ, or Dr. Dre, David, Cynthia, the wife, David's daughters, all, I owe you guys. And I still love you guys. Transfer to all movie theaters, movie industries, studios, cinema, all music industries, musicians, music queen, Onyi Aka Metal, transfer to her. Transfer to us, transfer to Marvel Studio, Warner Bros. Transfer to all Freemasonries worldwide. Freemasonries, Masons, Ekis, Ikanka, Oboni, Amok, Secretions, all the craft, all religion, culture, tradition, all practicing witchcraft, using them to bless. Transfer to them, transfer to Wicca, transfer to all tradition and all cultures, all using their craft and beliefs to move the world forward. Transfer to them. Transfer to my family, Nkwuaku family, and extended, all that love us, moving us forward, friends and well-wishers, and Aka family, Omo Echeto, Keke family, Ukafo family, all our relations, friends and well-wishers, in-laws, Mwadianas, all, transfer to us for free. So Maribi, say, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA, Chief Priest, what? Chief Priest, USA.